Yes.
Fast forward to today, how are your clients actually using PowerPoint? Because there's a million ways you can use it. I think of there's two main. One is a communication tool that you're emailing to people, and it's just a fancier way of graphically conveying information that you want someone to read in silence, the way they would read a document. The other is something that you have behind you or going at the same time or a part of you when you're standing up in front of people speaking. And I guess the third way is when you are presenting online. How are most of your clients using it these days?
So they're
Or
using
the
it.
or I should say the clients of your clients using it.
Yeah, exactly. And they're using in any of those three ways, okay? And they're actually continuously finding newer ways of using PowerPoint. People use it conventionally, as you said. A lot of people also use them unconventionally in other ways, okay? But what's really happening is what unconventional is. People are using PowerPoint to create video clips. People are using PowerPoint to create graphics, for to share. They're even using PowerPoint to create greeting cards, okay, and stuff like that. And certainly PowerPoint is being used in the conventional way: business presentations, business reporting, and sharing content with what PowerPoint is really good at, TJ, is taking content from disparate sources, okay, from different sources, putting them together. You can take visuals, you can take text, you can take multimedia, you can take your chart content, you can take your shots, and put them all together in one document and then share it with others. And they don't need to have viewers or all that stuff, and PowerPoint is the glue that holds everything together. So you can put your message in one document and share it with the rest of the world.
And who is PowerPoint's biggest competitor these days? Is it Canva? Is it Adobe? Is it Apple Keynote? Where are you seeing the competition? Or does everyone just use all of those tools, and PowerPoint's an umbrella term for a lot of these things combined?
The good thing is a lot of these new products coming up, they're very promising, and they bring up a challenge to Microsoft, and that actually inspires them to make PowerPoint even better, because they have to compete with all products, right? So the winner is us, the users, okay? So we get everything else, and we get PowerPoint, and then we get other tools like Google Slide and okay, and of course the other tool like Apple Keynote that you referred to. Now what happens is, when these tools come up with some sort of technology which PowerPoint doesn't offer, like if you take the case of Google Slides, the most important feature that it brought forward was collaborating. A lot of people could collaborate on the same presentation and edit and make, and that was really a killer feature. So PowerPoint also had to up the ante and get that over there. Now, to speak of the repeating terms, there's one factor to always remember: Google Slides, Canva, Keynote, and many other tools that you have that create slides over there, they always have an import PowerPoint feature, but they also have an export to PowerPoint feature. So a lot of users who use these other products also use PowerPoint. So it's not that they just use those products, because we are living in a world where you have to share content with others. And I always, TJ, that the PowerPoint file format is a bigger asset for Microsoft than PowerPoint itself. Because if anybody wants to share the content, they have to very well go and share it as a PowerPoint.
Our guest today is also the director of the Presentation Guild, Geetish Bajaj. What is the Presentation Guild?